So I don't know about you guys, but I often get like a spicy craving because I love spicy food. And so today I'm gonna make a spicy garlicky pork belly snack, sort of. It's hard to explain. I can't translate it from Chinese, so let's do this. So prepare some star anise and some Sichuan pepper and put them aside for the week. Prep the garlic, and by that I mean get it out of the net. Oops. And then get the cloves out and peel the skin. The garlic skin. Cut into half so it has a flat surface to work on. And chop the garlic as fine as possible. This is really crucial because if the garlic isn't fine enough, you will eat like bits of garlic in your food in the final product. So make sure you chop it almost like a garlic paste. You can also just use a garlic press, but I don't have one. Add soy sauce, black vinegar, some salt and sugar, and then mix well. Add a tiny bit of sesame oil and chili oil. Remove the first layer of the spring onion. Cut it into chunks. Cut the ginger. And yeah, that's a good camera angle. Good job, me. Get the pork belly skin side down on a really hot pan to remove the hair on the skin. Use the back of the knife to remove the burnt hair end. Or you can just plug it out with whatever this thing's called. Add all the herbs from earlier with the pork belly and boil it for 20 minutes or until it's cooked. Cut it into a smaller chunk so it's easier to work with. And cut it into really thin slices. And then just put it nicely on a plate and add that sauce on it. And you're good to go. Good to go eat. Yeah. Anyway, B-roll time. Hello. So if you like this video, you can go try do it yourself. And if you liked it enough, you can go subscribe. Thanks.
What's that?
I made snack.
Okay.
It's spicy and
Can I have
garlicky.
some?
Yes.
Is it good?
Pretty good. Yeah.